Hello sir, my name is Mukul Priya at Indian Business Pitch. Sir, what is your full good name?
Myself Vijay Sharma.
Your firm name?
My firm name is Laxmi Engineers.
Sir, your company full address?
Company full address is G588 second phase, Basni, Jodhpur.
Your product service portfolio?
We are manufacturing cement plant projects since last 28 years.
How long have you had this business for?
Since 1991.
What product do you manufacture?
We are manufacturing cement plant projects, clinker grinding projects, mineral grinding plants, and ball mill, jaw crusher, elevator, roller crushers, backpacking machine, rotary dryers, and metal handling equipments.
Are you involved in export and imports?
We are into export.
What is your target market?
Our target market is African market and Gulf countries, Latin American, SAARC countries, and northeast part of India.
How do you promote your product and service?
We are promoting our product through website promotion, media, digital media, and advertisement.
How is your product different from your competitors?
Because we are providing the good quality, timely execution, good raw material, and good service after sales.
What are your future business plans?
We are planning to develop local employment and industrialization in local area and in small investment, so they can produce their own product in their area, so they cannot depend on others.
Have you received any industry-specific award or certificates?
Yeah, we are honored by the Udyog Ratna Award in 1993 and Jamnalal Bajaj Uchit Vyavhar Puraskar in 94, and after that Quality Assurance Award in 2015.
Do you wish to display your previous manufacturing unit or your product on our portal?
Yes, of course.
How relevant is your customer opinion while you design manufacture your product?
When we are supplying our machinery and our project to our customer, so when they are using and they suggest about their better production and better quality, so they suggest to us, then according to their suggestion we are making some changes, and day by day, and after 25 years we have made so many changes and we are manufacturing the quality products.
Any additional details you might want to add about yourself or your firm?
Our company Laxmi Engineers, established by my father M.L. Sharma ji in 1991, who was in this field since last 40 years. So we are manufacturing cement plant projects up to 500 ton capacity and mineral grinding plants, metal handling equipments. So we have so far supplied more than 100 cement plants in all over India, SAARC countries, Gulf countries, African countries, and Latin America. Also, we are registered with the EEPC, GIA, MIA, and also we are ISO 9001 registered company. Thank you.